Smallest speaker from the brand Edifier ang MP85. Personally, ito ang pinakamaliit na Bluetooth speaker na nahawakan ko. And guys, sasabihin ko na agad small but perform, itong Edifier MP85. With only 2.2 watts output power, it performs really fine. Yung OP description na small but terrible really fits the Edifier MP85. From Shopee ko nabili itong Edifier MP85 for 475 pesos from the Edifier official shop sa Shopee. Kasama sa box is yung yellow lanyard, user's manual, a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and of course, yung main event, the Edifier MP85 Bluetooth speaker. Ayan, ang liit talaga. Press and hold the yellow button for 2 seconds to turn it on. Blinking blue light means ready na ito for Bluetooth pairing. Activate nyo lang yung Bluetooth sa phone nyo, then wait for a few seconds and successfully paired na. To use the Edifier Connect app, make sure you are paired with the MP85 first. Then after that, everything is pretty much straightforward. Basta paired na ito, the app will automatically detect the MP85. In the app, you can control the volume adjustments of the speaker. There's also the 3 preset equalizer. They are the music, game, and movie. Tap on the icon gear to go into settings. Then tap user manual. So dito, may PDF version kayo ng user's manual versus that tiny booklet na kasama sa box, which I can barely read dahil nga sa sobrang liit ng text. Kaya this is a more convenient way of reading and getting to know the MP85, particularly what the different buttons can do. Guys, 2.5 watts minimum and 5 watts maximum ang charging input ng MP85. Avoid using charging bricks with very high wattage for extra care. So better safe than sorry. Sulit ang bawat piso nyo sa small but perform na Edifier MP85. Sa form at lead nito, sa sound quality, sa portability, and of course, dahil nga from Edifier nito, talagang worth it. At only 2.2 watts output power, reserve your base expectations on this one and embrace the highlights the MP85 delivers. I can assure you, you will like this tiny speaker. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. Remember to click the like and subscribe button. Mei Twen, out.